fast loan advance. Need cash fast, get quick hassle-free loans with no hidden fees, whether it's an expected expense or an urgent bill. Our fast loan advances offer you the funds you need in the record time. Apply now and experience a smooth, transparent process with flexible payment options. Don't let financial stress hold you back. Get the support you need today. So hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll show you how you can loan money on Fast Loan Advance. So what is a Fast Loan Advance? A Fast Loan Advance is designed to provide immediate financial relief for urgent needs. It offers quick access to funds with a streamlined application process with often lengthy paperwork ideal for unexpected expenses or emergencies. These loans come with flexible terms and fast approval, helping you address urgent financial needs efficiently. So right now, all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Fast Loan Advance. As you can see, we have here various things like the first one in Reddit. We have here details and some information. It's free explaining, and we have here also Outlook. You have here you can just click over it and know more information about Fast Loan Advance. Then we have also here backcredit.org. We have Fast Loan Advance review and 5 alternatives in 2024. And here we have fastloanadvance.net. As you can see, we have here various information in Fast Loan Advance. So all I have to do is choose how much do you need. Between here we have 200 and we have here between 200 and 500,000 and $500, and you have here between 500 and $1,000, and between 1,000 and 2,000, sorry, $500, and then we have $2,500 and $5,000. Then we have the next one, it's cell phone number. As you can see, also we have contact email here where would you like to receive your loan request updates. Then we have here request updates. We have your email address, and then we have also, and that's it about this personal information. So right now, a Fast Loan Advance is involves a few straightforward steps. So we have the first one, it's access your need. Determine how much money you need and for what purpose. This will help you choose the right loan amount and type. Then we have research lenders. Find reputable lenders that offer fast loan advances. Compare interests, rates, fees, and terms to find the best option for you. Then apply online or in person. Complete the application process. You'll usually need to provide personal information, proof of income, and details about your financial situation. Some lenders allow you to apply online for quicker processing. So then we have review terms carefully. Read the loan agreement, including interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan and the repayment schedule. Then we have receive funds. If approved, you'll receive the funds quickly, often within 24 hours. The money is usually deposited directly into your bank account. Then we have repay the loan. Follow the repayment schedule outlined in your agreement. Make payments on time to avoid penalties and maintain a good credit history. Then we have monitor your finances, and this is the last one. After receiving the loan, keep track of your spending and financial situation to ensure you can manage your payments without additional strain. So by following these steps, you can effectively use a Fast Loan Advance to address your immediate financial needs. So right now, I'll give you some key benefits of a Fast Loan Advance. You have the first one, it's quick access to funds. Fast Loan Advances provide rapid access to money, often within 24 hours, which is ideal for urgent financial needs or emergencies. Then we have simple application process. The application process is usually straightforward. It may be completed online, saving time and reducing paperwork. Then we have flexibility. Many fast loans offer flexible repayment terms and amounts, allowing you to choose options that fit your financial situation. Then we have no collateral required. Often these loans are unsecured, meaning you don't need to provide your cultural to get approved. Then we have convenience also. Funds are typically deposited directly into your bank account, making it easy to access and use the money. Then we have credit building opportunities. If you make timely payments, it can positively impact your score, demonstrating responsible borrowing behavior. Then we have the last one, it's transparent terms. Many lenders provide clear and upfront information about interest rates, fees, and repayment terms, helping you make informed decisions. So, without forgetting, the last one is immediate real life. Fast loans can help you address urgent financial issues such as medical expenses, car repairs, or unexpected bills, providing immediate real life and peace of mind. So, when you're using a fast loan advance, consider these pieces of advice to manage it effectively. So we have the first one, it's only borrow what you need. Borrow only the amount necessary to cover your immediate expense. Overborrowing can lead to higher repayment amounts and financial strain. Then we have understand the terms. Carefully review the loan terms, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedule. Ensure you understand the total cost of the loan and any potential penalties for late payments. Then we have the last one, it's we have here the third one, plan for repayment. Develop a clear plan for how you will repay the loan. Budget for monthly payments and ensure you have the means to meet them without compromising your essential expenses. Then we have avoid multiple loans. Try to avoid taking out multiple fast loans at once, as this can lead to financial trouble and difficulty managing repayments. Then we have check your credit. Review your credit report before applying for a loan. A good credit score can help you secure better terms and lower interest rates. Then we have consider alternatives. If possible, explore other financing options such as personal savings, borrowing from friends or family, or other types of credit with better terms. Keep tracking. And then you have keep track of spending. Use the funds usually wisely, stick to your budget and avoid necessary expenditures to ensure you can comfortably repay the loan. Then you have be cautious with lenders, choose reputable lenders and avoid those with hidden fees or predatory practices. Verify their legitimacy and read customer reviews if available. Then we have plan of emergencies. If you frequently find yourself in need of fast loans, consider setting up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses in the future. Then we have the last one, it's monitor your financial health. Regularly review your financial situation and loan status to stay on top of your obligation and make adjustments if needed. By following these tips, you can use a fast loan advance more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.